Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. In this video, let's look at common hand gestures in yoga. Various hand positions in yoga help direct one's energy and focus in practice. Let's look at common hand positions in yoga, otherwise known as mudras. Prayer hands with your hands pressing against each other is a gesture of honor, respect, love, and gratitude. Connecting the thumb and index finger is a universal seal common in meditation. Use this hand position to maintain a steady state of calm and peace in your meditation. Connecting your thumb to other fingers can help balance your body's energy. The next hand position is common in standing or seated poses. An open palm position helps one receive the energy of your practice. Having an open hand position also helps you direct the flow of energy in your yoga poses. So try different hand positions to improve your focus and energy in your yoga and meditation. I hope you view the rest of the video and follow or try out these different hand positions. So have a seat, choose a hand gesture, close your eyes, and breathe for the next few minutes. I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for viewing Yoga Life with Amelia.